All out sa preparation si David Licauco para sa kanyang role bilang investigative vlogger sa upcoming Kapuso series na Never Say Die. Bukod sa physical training, nakipag one-on-one din siya kasamang isang batikang broadcast journalist. Makichika kay Nelson Canlas.
Bukod sa action scenes, isa pang pinaghahandaan ni pambansang Ginoo David Licauco ang kanyang pagiging investigative vlogger para sa upcoming Kapuso series na Never Say Die.
Yung role ko sa Never Say Die, isa akong vlogger na journalist. Through my videos, maybe on on platforms, doon ko na-express kung ano yung gusto ko at ayaw ko sa Philippines. Yung training nga namin this morning was mostly about how to convey what you feel, what you want to share the viewers.
Para mas mapalapit sa kanyang role, kumuha ng pointers mula sa DZBB si David.
We had a meeting with Boss Orly of DZBB. He was very insightful. Yung role ko dito, medyo similar sa ginagawa niya. So it was just nice for the production to, to think about it, to pick up, the knowledge from someone na batikan na sa larangan niya.
Marami raw natutunan si David, lalo't ibang-iba ang karakter niya sa Never Say Die kumpara sa mga roles na kanyang ginampanan before. Kaya sa bawat pointer sa training, mas lalo raw na-inspire si David na maging kapani-paniwalang investigative vlogger.
Well, at first, syempre, when you hear about, being a radio broadcaster, you would automatically think na, kailangan like yung boses mo deep, very straightforward. But actually, sinabi sa akin ni Boss Orly na syempre it will also matter yung kung sino yung nakikinig. You have to pivot and learn kung paano gusto mapakinggan ng isang Gen Z or millennial yung news.
Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.